Hello everybody and welcome back on my channel. My name is Alex and today we'll make the second part from this belt tensioner, which will be the base. We will also be following this part of the drawing for this one, and in the next one we're gonna make the pulley, which will be this one right here. So let's start. First we'll have to open a new part, and right now let's make this plane white, and we'll start a sketch in the top plane. And here we'll make a center rectangle. This will have the dimensions for this side will be 112 and for this one will be 56. And that's it. Go to features, use extruded boss base command, and here the thickness will be 14 millimeters. Press OK. And now we'll open a sketch on this face. And here we'll start with a center rectangle again. Make one just like this. With smart dimension we'll have to define this. From this line to this edge, here will be 3. From this line to this edge, here will be 22. And now go to features, use extruded cut. And here we'll have to keep through all, or up to next, it will be the same. Press OK. Nice. And now we'll open a sketch on this other face. And here we'll make 2 circles. Select this center point with this one and select here make vertical. And now smart dimension, let's define them. This one will have the diameter 56. And the small one will have the diameter 25. And now let's select point and make a point right here. Make sure that this point is vertical with all of the others. And now let's go with smart dimension and give a dimension from this point to this point. And here will be 120 millimeters. And now this is fully defined. Let's go to features and use extruded boss base command. As we can see, we'll have to reverse the direction. To do this, we'll go here on the left, select here reverse direction. Here we'll keep blind and the depth will be 26. Press here OK. And now let's open a new sketch on this face. And here let's select convert entities command. Select this circle and this edge and press here OK. And now with line we'll have to make the next sketch. We'll start from this point, go to this circle, and then do the same for this other side. Yep, not like this. From this point to this circle. Okay, select this circle and this line and select here make tangent. Do the same for this one also. And now with trim entities command we'll have to cut this part of the circle. Press here OK. And now we have the sketch. Let's go to features and use extruded boss base command. And here instead of sketch plane we'll select offset. The offset will be 4 millimeters. Alright, we'll have to reverse the direction of this offset. So reverse the direction. And here we'll keep blind and the depth will be 16 millimeters. Okay, and we'll have to also reverse this direction. Nice, and now we can see in the preview that it's 4 millimeters offset from this sketch, which we just need. And press here OK. Nice and easy. And I'll have to make a small rib right here. To do this we'll have to open a sketch in the right plane, because this plane is in the middle of this part and the rib is also in the middle. To make a rib you'll only have a line to make, so select line, start from this point, go until this edge. And now it's smart dimension, let's give a dimension from this point to this edge. and here will be 32 millimeters. Now go to features, use rib command, and here we'll keep this one in the middle, and the thickness for this rib will be 12. Make sure that this arrow is going down like this. If it's like this or not like that, you'll just have to click here, flip material side. If it's like this, click here, flip material side. Okay, 12, press here OK. Nice, and now we'll have to make 3 holes for this part. One on this side, one on this side, and one on top of this cylinder. So for this we'll have to use hole wizard, so select hole wizard. First let's make this one on top. We'll select here hole, top drills, the size will be M8 and the pitch 125. We'll keep here up to next. Let's go to positions, 3D sketch, and let's place the hole. Okay, and now let's select center line. We'll have to fully define this. We'll make a center line starting from this center point and going up until this edge of this cylinder. Make sure that this point is black. If it's black, it means that it's fully defined and you will not be able to move it. It will be straight up and on this edge. Okay, now select these 2 points and select here, make along Z axis. And now it's smart dimension, we'll have to give a dimension in between these 2 points. And here will be 13. Press OK. And now we have the first hole. Now let's make 2 more here. So select hole wizard again. We'll also keep this one, but this time we'll select here to drill size. And the diameter will be 10 millimeters. Search for 10, select it. Here we'll keep up to next or through all. This time it doesn't matter. And select here. All of the other things should be left just like this. And select here to positions, 3D sketch, place them. Or you can place one and then you can use mirror entities command and select the right plane, because the right plane is in the middle of this part. I'm gonna place them both now and we'll have to fully define them. So select smart dimension and let's give some dimensions. First, from this point to this edge, here will be 36 millimeters. And now let's select these 2 and select here make along x-axis. And now let's select a center line and let's make a center line starting from this middle point, from this edge, going like this. Okay, and we'll have to make sure that this, okay, it's not actually straight. Let's select it and let's make it along z-axis. Press here OK, and now we can see that it's black. We did this so we can give a dimension. So select smart dimension, select this point, this edge. Okay, so this point with, yeah, okay. Okay, doesn't, why? So with smart dimension we should give a dimension from this point to this edge, to this line. Why is it automatically selecting both of them? Alright, let's see. First, if we try to give a dimension in between them it should be 88. Okay, and now let's try to make this center line again. Okay, and make sure that when you make the center line Okay, let me show you again. Make sure that you are watching the part from this side. So when you click it, you can go along this red arrow. We can see that it will be already fully defined. Okay, and let's try again. The same. Okay, then we'll have to try something else. If like this is not working, let's see like this. It should be 44 in between from this point to this center line. Let's try this other way. So if 88 is gone, then it means that we have also 24 left. So 24 divided by 2 here should be 12. Just like this. Okay, never mind. So what I did was just, we know the length of from this side to this side, and it's 112. We know that from this point to this point it's 88, so everything is symmetrical, which means that we have 24 left. 24 plus 88 will be 112, so we just need half of what's left from subtracting 88 from 112, which is 12. 12 on this side and 12 on this other side. Let's make sure that here is also 12. Yes. Nice. And this should not be so complicated. I don't know why it was this time. When I first made it, it was very easy. But anyway, you can use here 12 from this point to this edge, or use 44 from this point to this center line if it's working. Press here OK. Okay, and this is the part. Now we'll have to apply some fillets. All of the fillets will have radius 3 as it's specified on the drawing. We have no other fillet that have another radius for this part. Okay, let's select fillet, radius 3, and make sure that you select the edges that are working. See, here is not working because this small edge right here. And to make sure that I am able to fillet these parts, unselect here tangent propagation, and right now we'll be able to select a few more. Okay, just select whatever edge is working, and then at the end we'll have to select the others. It will work more than what we can see right now. Okay, press here OK for now, select fillet again, and let's keep going. Okay, here we can select the face. Alright, and this one. Okay. Let's press here OK for now. Actually, we can select also this. And this is almost finished. Press here OK. Now I'll have to apply like 3 more. This and this. And this should be all the fillets. Okay, it's looking like it's done. Now I'll have to apply the material. Also with the first part I just made a tutorial, the last one, we also should apply the material. I forgot to do it, I think, in that tutorial, in that video, so it will be the same material. So go here on the left, right click on material, edit material, and select. It will be the same one, steel 1020, apply and close. Do the same for the first one also, and don't forget to save them because we'll actually need these parts to make the whole assembly. This was the tutorial for today. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.